Right, so what we're going to do is you're going to go and make something that goes through electrolysis, and particularly the three main things on electrolysis. Right, on the front, key facts about electrolysis. Right, section on what electrolysis is. Right, remember electrolysis is splitting up ionic compounds using electricity. What happens at the positive electrode? Remember, at the positive electrode, an ion will lose an electron. What happens at the negative electrode? An ion will gain an electron. Right? So they're the sorts of things that you need to put on the list. But those three things are really important because they come up in virtually every question on electrolysis. Right, next, on the other side, how copper sulfate is produced. Right? There's loads of different instructions that you can go and look up. However, on lots of questions, it will go and it'll talk about how you're making some sort of sulfate or something. Right? The obvious one is copper sulfate. It comes up time and time again. Right? You can split that into like 6 easy steps. You want to draw diagrams and such forth, you can. Right, inside. The middle part, electrolysis of aluminium. Right, remember, aluminium oxide, the oxygen gets a negative charge, the aluminium gets a positive charge. So the oxygen moves towards the positive electrodes, which are made out of graphite, which is carbon. So carbon dioxide is formed at the positive electrodes. The aluminium moves like the base, which is the negative electrode, and it forms a layer at the bottom. Right? You need to go and put that into 6 steps, right? Because that's where people lost lots of marks. A smaller section on the electrolysis of copper sulfate. You might make sure that you're going and you're writing it in stages. And a section on the other side on the electrolysis of brine. Right? Remember, brine is salt water. So you need to put what comes off at the positive electrode, what comes off at the negative electrode, and what's left behind in solution.